the ecotourism wonder of Tarai, called Katarniya Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary, is an integral part of the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve in Uttar Pradesh. From the misty winter mornings in the Sal High Forest to the dry savanna-like grasslands in summer, the sanctuary presents a new version of itself around the year. The sky-high sal trees form a canopy. Welcoming you into the mystic world of hidden natural beauty. The clear sky, the filtering sun rays, and array of wildlife around form a unique alliance in this ecological wonder. Blend into the serenity to encounter the magnificent wildlife, otherwise difficult to spot. The unique biodiversity makes it a favorable habitat for varied species of birds, both migratory and residential. The sanctuary supports some important and diverse wildlife of the region.